In this video, we will show you how to assemble the overhead brace Century Series Awning. Before you begin, please read the assembly instructions thoroughly. You may be required to obtain a building permit for this structure. Contact your local building department for details. All points of attachment to existing structures must be into solid, structurally sound, and secure material. Tools list. Step 1. Attach the gutter splice. This is an optional step. Complete this step only if the gutter part L is in 2 or more pieces. Apply a generous amount of caulk to the back and bottom of the gutter splice OP3 to prevent leaks. Insert the splice halfway into the gutter ends to evenly overlap the seam. Attach the gutter to the gutter splice using 4 number 14 screws EE. Next, attach the second gutter splice. Where the splice is with no brace, use part OP2. For splice with a brace, use part F. Apply caulk to the back of the splice and attach it using 2 number 14 screws EE. Attach remaining fascia fitting brackets. Attach the back gutter to the wall. Begin by marking a level line on the mounting surface at the desired mounting height. Place the gutter up against the wall. Every 24 inches use number 12 screws BB to attach the gutter to the wall. Now attach the gutter through fascia fitting brackets part F using appropriate wall anchors. The type of anchors depends on the material of the wall. Apply a generous amount of caulk to the top edge of the gutter to the wall. Step 1B. Start by marking mounting locations on existing wall. Drill the proper holes for the suggested anchoring hardware. When drilling into a block or steel wall, use suggested anchor bolts with washers and Loctite nuts. When drilling into a wood wall, use suggested wall anchors. Please note, review the safety information on the manual and your local building codes for anchor bolt requirements. Secure the wall mounting brackets to the wall. Step 2. Horizontal brace attachment. Start by sliding horizontal bar part H into the back wall fascia bracket part F. Pre-drill holes for 2 number 12 screws BB into the bar and tighten the screws. Next, slide on the front, slide bracket part G. Leave it loose for now. Then attach another fascia bracket part F. Leave it loose for now as well. Repeat these steps for all braces. Step 3. Diagonal brace attachment. Attach the diagonal brace part J on both ends using 1 bolt and 1 nut part CC and DD on each end. Once proper horizontal bar slope is set, attach the slide bracket to the bar using 4 screws BB. Pre-drill holes and attach front fascia bracket to the bar with 2 screws BB. Repeat these steps for all remaining braces. Step 4. Front gutter attachment. Align the front gutter part L with the back gutter on the wall. Attach the gutter to front fascia brackets using number 14 screws EE. Repeat for all the front fascia brackets. Step 5. Attach the first projection gutter. Attach corner brackets part M on both ends of projection gutter using screws EE. Slide the assembly into the front and back gutters. Make sure the corner seams are flush and attach the assembly to the front and back gutters using screws EE. At this point, you may need to use a ladder, stilts, and 2x4s to brace the unit out on the front. If you have access to a fork truck, we recommend using it. Step 6. Roof pan attachment. Attach roof pans, part B starting from left to right. The pans overlap and snap together. Secure the pans using 4 number 8 screws AA on each end. All screws must be applied in the valleys of each pan, not on the rib uprights. Repeat these steps and secure all the roof pans. Step 7. Attach the second projection gutter. Attach the corner brackets part M on both ends of projection gutter using screws EE. Attach the projection gutter to the front and back gutters as previously shown in Step 5. Step 8. Install corner caps. Start by peeling the protective layer off the 3M tape strips for applying to the corner caps. Apply the 3M strips to the outside of the inner corner caps P and to the inside of the outer corner caps N. Once in place, press and hold for a few seconds in all spots to ensure the tape adheres properly. Apply gently and steadily to all corners of the gutter. Step 9. Attach the optional downspout. If you use a downspout instead of a scupper, mark the location on the front or back gutter, depending on the awning slope. Drill a 3-inch hole for the downspout attachment. Debar sharp edges and attach the downspout inlet using 3 screws AA. Caulk all around the outer part of the downspout inlet and attach the downspout. Attach the downspout to the wall with downspout straps. Congratulations! The installation of the overhead brace Century Series Awning is now complete. For more information, please give us a call or visit us online.